Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to show you how I make my chicken meatballs. So guys, before I start, I have to tell you why I'm going to show you guys this recipe. My daughter, she never liked to eat vegetables, so I always have this trick that I used to give her vegetable. So that is the trick I'm going to show you guys. So you mothers out there, if you have kids that doesn't want to eat vegetables, you just take in and watch. Don't move, watch the video to the end. You can learn how to feed your babies with vegetable without them knowing. So let me introduce the ingredients. I have grounded chicken, zucchini, carrots, eggplant, breadcrumbs, cheese, 1 egg, aromat, thyme, olive oil, black pepper, and salt to taste. And I also have these ingredients. I just bought this one like this. It's already chopped: celery, carrot, and onion. So these are all the ingredients that I'm going to use for this recipe. So guys, I want to use this opportunity to say thank you for my old subscribers. Thank you. I so much appreciate you guys for supporting me. And also, if you are new to this channel, you are welcome to this channel. Join us and let's be one big family. So now guys, let's get started. So first, I just put my water on the cooker. When it boils, I add all the ingredients inside the water, all the vegetables. I have to cook them for few minutes, just about 5 minutes. When it cooked, I will just blend everything together. So this is all the vegetable that I blend together. Then I just add the blended vegetable inside the meat. Add 1 egg, the cheese, the breadcrumbs, thyme, I add some black pepper, Aromat, and salt. And also add the meat stock. I have the chicken stock, I just add it there. Then I'll mix together very well. You can use your hand, you can use your spatula, but anyone you wish. But you have to mix it very well. Then you started molding it into a balls. So this is the result. I've molded all of them into these balls you can see here now. So now you add your olive oil on your pan. You put all the veggies together, like the carrot, the celery, and the onion. You just cook them for some minutes. Then now you add your meatballs. So you need to shake it. Just shake it together. Shake it so that it will not be stiff to the pot. I add my rosemary. Then I add a half cup of white wine. It's option. If you don't want, don't add it. If you know, you can try it. If you don't want, it's option, it's up to you. So just leave it to cook for about 5 minutes. Then now I'll add the vegetable stock, the stock that comes out of the vegetable that I cooked from the beginning. This is the stock. You just add it to it and cover it to cook. You add some chicken stock to give him a taste, a little salt, yeah, this is the bone, the leftover bone. I just decided to cook it with it so that it can give it another flavor. We don't need to throw anything away, guys. Cover it to cook. Wow, as you can see, guys, this is the results of the chicken meatballs. Guys, trust me for this. It's so good, so tasty, yummy, and it has a very nice smell. You will like it, and your kids will like it. My daughter never want to eat vegetables. I was having problem with her when she was from 2 to 3 years. She never want to eat vegetables. Anytime I give her vegetables, she just throw it off. So her doctor now advised me that I should use this trick for her. You can use different kind of vegetables you want, any one. You can use carrots, any type of vegetables. Just blend it, mix it with the meat very well. You see, they will eat it without them knowing that they are eating vegetables. So guys, it's so easy to make, and you can avoid all these ingredients at the market. You can see everything. You can get it at the supermarket. So try it with your kids, most especially those one that doesn't want to eat vegetables. It really works for me, and I believe it works for you too. Guys, I want to say thank you, and I'm going to see you in my next video. Please don't forget to subscribe, and if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Ciao.